Today, we'll compare Substack and Medium, two popular platforms for writers. Substack empowers independent writers with monetization opportunities and audience ownership, while Medium offers a curated platform for both professional and amateur writers. Let's delve into their features, user experience, pricing structure, pros and cons, and alternatives.
Let's take a quick look at these programs' main features. Substack features include simplicity. Substack prides itself on its simplicity and ease of use, making it an ideal platform for beginners and non-technical users. Unlike Beehive, which offers extensive customization options, Substack focuses on providing a straightforward and intuitive user experience, allowing creators to focus on content creation rather than design. Built-in payment processing. One standout feature of Substack is its built-in payment processing functionality, allowing creators to monetize their newsletters through paid subscriptions seamlessly. While Beehive offers revenue sharing options, Substack's direct payment model simplifies the monetization process for creators, enabling them to earn revenue directly from their audience without additional fees. Reader engagement features. Substack offers various reader engagement features such as comments, likes, and social sharing buttons, fostering a sense of community and interaction among subscribers. Although Beehive provides tools for audience engagement, Substack's dedicated features promote active participation and discussion within the newsletter community. Mobile app accessibility. Substack offers a dedicated mobile app, allowing creators and subscribers to access newsletters conveniently on their smartphones or tablets. In contrast, Beehive lacks a dedicated mobile app, potentially limiting accessibility for subscribers who prefer to consume content on mobile devices. Medium features include extensive internal audience. Medium offers a vast leader base and discoverability features, enabling writers to reach a larger audience beyond their own subscriber base. Content discovery platform. It functions as a content discovery platform with a curation system, which can enhance visibility for writers through Medium's editorial selection. Revenue sharing model. Medium offers on a revenue sharing model, incentivizing authors through payments based on readership engagement rather than direct subscriptions. Strong community. Medium fosters a strong sense of community among writers, providing opportunities for collaboration and networking within its platform.
Substack takes a 10% commission from writers' earnings, whereas Medium operates on a subscription-based models for readers, with writers earning based on reader engagement. Substack's user experience focuses on simplicity and immediate monetization, while Medium offers a curated experience with a mix of free and paid content, catering to a diverse audience of writers and readers. Substack offers a direct subscription model, providing creators with a steady income stream from their dedicated audience. It empowers independent writers by focusing on monetization opportunities and audience ownership. However, Substack demands commitment from writers due to its subscription-based model, necessitating consistent content creation to maintain subscriber engagement. On the other hand, Medium boasts a vast and diverse user base, enabling content to reach a wider audience. And while Medium offers a sense of community among writers, it may lack complete ownership or control over subscriber lists compared to Substack.
Alternatives to Substack and Medium include WordPress, Ghost, and Patreon, each offering unique features and monetization models for writers.
Both Substack and Medium offer compelling features and opportunities for writers. If you prefer immediate monetization and simplicity, well, Substack may be the way to go. However, if you value a curated platform with a diverse community, Medium may be the better choice. Ultimately, the decision depends on your specific goals and preferences. Don't forget to explore both platforms further and choose the one that aligns best with your writing aspirations. And if you found this video helpful, well, don't forget to subscribe to Easy Internet for more valuable tips and comparisons. Thank you very much for watching.